my friends, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and it is Kit Club time. Now, I am really excited about this Kit Club because most of you already know our Die Hard Stamp and Die set were the sand castles. So I'm very huge lover of the beach. So I'm really excited about this. So are you ready? Get set. Let's go. Well, first of all, it comes in this cute little box. Hello, isn't that awesome? I'm just kidding. Okay, I mean it does, but okay. So what I always like to do is the cardstock first, just to give you an idea. You get the handy dandy storage envelope, which is always nice. I like to store my largest dies in here also. So I keep like all my Slimline dies in big folders like this. So it's very handy. Move that off to the side. Now, let's look at the colors. We are getting, we are getting, and I'm going to have my cheat sheet just in case I don't want to mess any of these up. We are getting strawberry. We are getting blueberry. We are getting sky. We are getting sunshine. We are getting marigold, which I love. You're getting grape, ginger snap, chocolate, and of course your powdered sugar, because everybody needs extra powdered sugar. Look at how fun this color palette is. I love it. It's a fun one, and it doesn't have pink in it, but I still like it, which is amazing, right? Okay, now of course you get your handy dandy idea card that has a couple ideas on it, which is fantastic. You can go to our website. There's going to be even more ideas on our website, and you also get your envelopes, because you can never have too many envelopes. Now, let's look at the paper pad, because that's going to kind of give us the rest of the theme on how we're going on this. So it's called Summer Lovin' Collection. And oh, I'm so excited. Look at those fun sand castles. I love them. I love them. They're so fun. Then, oh, we have sunglasses, and we have Summer Lovin' down here, which I love. Then we have, oh, light sunglasses. Now we have some colored, so I've already digitally colored all of these for you, so you could just die cut them. And this one had to go upside down, which was funny because I wanted to make sure I could fit them all on there. So that's awesome. Then, oh, a good, nice solid. Oh, I love that blue. Oh, look how pretty those blue sand dollars are. I love that. And, oh, our cute little sailboat. So cute. Oh, mini sand castles, mini Summer Lovin'. Ooh, some buckets. I like those buckets. Those buckets are fun. Some fun dots. Love the dots. Ooh, stripes. And more buckets. Love the buckets. And small sailboats. And then we start all over again because you get 2 sheets of each, which is fantastic. Summer Lovin'. I love it. So let's look at that. Now, you're also going to get a die set that says Summer Lovin'. So that's fun. And another fun thing about this one is all of the letters are separate. So that's really nice because then you could just use them in a different way. Like if you don't want to use the shadow die, you could have it say summer different ways and things like that, which it gives you a lot more versatility, which is very nice. You're also getting a stamp set. Look at how awesome this stamp set is. It comes with the starfish and the shell, and it says, oh, happy day, and that's a nice size one, and then to my friend. So you could use those separately or together. You're also getting these fun chipboard little guys. Look how cute these are. So it says beach, summer, sunglasses, and cute little palm trees. Now, whoops, look at this. You're getting dies that match the stamps, which is so handy dandy because here you have the dies and the stamps. I'm sorry, the stamps and the dies, which is very awesome. Okay, what else is next? We're also getting ribbons. We have, oh gosh, this is by a huge customer request. This is the purple suede ribbon, which is fun. It's like a faux leather ribbon, and let me tell you, it is absolutely awesome, and it's in grape, and we've had a lot of requests for grape, more grape ribbon, so that's gorgeous. And then some ginger snap gingham, which you can't go wrong with that, right? 2 more items still, can you believe it? You're also getting some fun epoxies. You're getting purple, sky, sunshine, tangerine / marigold, and blueberry. Aren't those fun? Now, last but not least, you are getting puffy stickers. Look at how fun those puffy stickers are. I am a big fan of puffy stickers, and I love these because my favorite is sand dollars. My dad and I always go to the beach, and we always look for sand dollars, so sand dollars are extra special to me. So let me share my samples with you. because I have some fun ones. Look at this one, Summer Lovin'. So there you can see those letters cut out. You don't have to use the shadow, so you can have them go any direction you want, which is really handy and really fun. So that's the cute little sand dollar Fold It, which, oh my gosh, everybody loves that one. Then we have a cute Slimline, a mini Slimline, Oh Happy Day. Look how cute those little cutouts are on there. So easy when you already have all the cutouts done, right? Here we have our little sandcastle with our little epoxy dots added, and it says, to my friend. Here's a cute one, sunglasses, summer, and palm trees. Does it get better than that? Look at that. I love it. It's cute. Here's another one, beach. You know, sometimes you just want to say beach. Isn't that awesome? Totally gorgeous. And on our A2 rounded corner card base. That's fantastic. Now, one of the best parts about this kit is I get to make a card, which is always exciting to me because sometimes I don't get to make enough cards. Well, I've already started by die cutting my mini Slimline card base, and I just die cut it out of the blueberry, so I'm just going to fold that on the fold right there, boom. And then I get to decide what color pattern paper do I want to use for my Slimline pieces. Now, I have the rectangles here for the mini Slimline, I have the scalloped rectangles, and I also have the stitched rectangles. So now I get to decide which pattern paper I want to do, and that's always the hardest part for me, is deciding. And you know what, that sand dollar is really calling my name. Let me look at the others really quick to make sure I'm gonna pick that one, and yep, I'm picking this one. So I'm gonna use the sand dollar, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take that to my machine, and I'm gonna use the stitched rectangle. So let me confirm that I want the largest one. Yep, I'm going to take the largest one, and I'm going to run this through just like that on my die cut machine. So I'm going to lay that down and run this through. Easy peasy, right? And I'm going to get my cutting pad and run that through. So the mini Slimline is fun. It's very, very similar to the regular Slimline, but as you know, it is a mini version. So we're going to run that through, and I love that those sand dollars are blue. That's probably one of my favorite parts of this page. So now I have my cute little stitched rectangle, and now what I want to do is I'm going to go ahead and add that to my card so I kind of get an idea of where I'm going on this card. As you know, I never plan this ahead. I just kind of go. I did have the blueberry Slimline because that was part of another project, so I said I'll use that. But other than that, I don't plan ahead. So look how gorgeous that looks on there. I love that. So now I have that, and we'll move those over so we don't get those lost. And oh, I need my craft and carry station, don't I? It's too far away. Bummer. I need that. It helps a lot. Okay, so I have already taken the liberty of die cut a few of my pieces. So I have my cute little sand castle. I have some of the pieces cut out. I like to, and this is something new that I do, I haven't always done this in the past, but I'm starting to do it more and more now, is I like to die cut all of the pieces from the die cut page so they're already die cut. So if I want to make a fast card, I can just go to my envelope of all my storage, all my dies and stamps, and if they're already die cut, I'm halfway there on my card, right? So it really helps a lot. So I'm going to kind of look at this and get an idea of what I'm doing here. And I'm looking at this, and let's see, I'm going to move this over here, and I'm going to look at the, oh, well, this is definitely going to go this way. So look at that. So that's going to go that way. And I'm thinking, what else do I want to do? I might not even be using my sandcastle because I'm noticing my pattern paper is going this way, so I need to go this way. So what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to use more of the sand, and I'm going to focus on the buckets. So I'm going to put a bucket there, maybe a bucket there, get my little sand guys here, and I'm just going to kind of lay out some of these. And I do know right off the bat I'm going to need more sand. So I'm going to grab the pieces that come in here, and I'm going to get this piece right there, that little sand piece. Need more of those, and I think I have enough buckets and everything else. So I'm going to die cut that little sand mound right there. Let's find that die. Sometimes it's easier just to get them all out of there. So let's find that. Dun, dun. And that's the right one. So I'm going to go ahead and get a little tiny piece of washi. I always like to add a little bit of washi just so I don't have to worry about it moving when I move it over to the machine. And I'm just going to add that little washi right there. And I'm going to run this through really quick and easy. And let's get a cutting pad, and we're going to run this through. just like that. And now I'm going to have some more sand to add to my card base. So I have this little cute piece here. I'm going to peel that up, and I'm going to add this one there, and I'm just going to kind of tack these down. I'm not going to really glue them down because I might want to put a piece behind it. So I'm just going to add adhesive like in the very center of this so it'll stay down. But what if I want to add some more? So I'm going to add that right there. What if I want to add like a bucket or something behind it? So I'm going to add that right there. And then the bucket, oh yeah, definitely want to add the bucket kind of behind it a little. So we're going to add adhesive to the bucket. And we're going to add our little bucket right there. And then I'm going to add this bucket down also. So let's add this one. Kind of, ooh, look at that. Oh, I like that. So we're going to add that up there. And then we're going to lay the shovel down. Now, my twin baby boys love to play in the sand. That is one of their favorite things to do, and it's so adorable to see them do that. We always have to take extra sand toys because they always want what the other one has, of course, right? Isn't that just typical little babies, typical little kids? So we're going to add that there. Oh, and we have to have a starfish, so let's add that guy right there on top. Okay, so now we're adding that guy right there. Look at how cute that is. Okay, I think we're done on those. I think we have enough. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to decide how I want to do my title. Do I want it to say Summer Lovin'? Do I want it to just say, ooh, I might have to just say Summer. I'm going to do it. I'm going to have this say Summer. This is a fast card, isn't it? I love it. I'm going to have it be Summer because I already know who I'm going to send this card to. I'm going to send it to a good friend of mine that is a teacher, and she has the summer off, and she is like the beach girl when it's the summertime. So we're going to add this right there. Oh my goodness, could this have been a faster card? No, it could not have. This is almost a 30-second card. Boom, look at that. Now, got to finish the back. What do I have to do on the back? I have to add my little stamp that says I made this because I want her to know, even though she knows I would make it, but we just got to make sure. Boom, look at that. Summer, look how cute that is with all my little cutouts ready to go. On the back it says a one of a kind by Stephanie Bernard. Boom, I'm ready for summer. Who wants to join me? Kit Club members, your kits are already on their way to you. Ken gets up extra early on kit shipping day and he gets them out. You should already have your shipping confirmation or pretty close to it, maybe a day or two. You'll get that shipping confirmation and you can track it and watch it and see, and then you're going to get your kit and have so much fun just like I am. So I gotta go, but I'm gonna start making some more cards, and I will see you again soon. Bye-bye.